and all present here. Okay, let me introduce myself, okay. This is Madhusudan, graduated from Bannari in the year 2013 and then worked in CTS for a year and resigned the job. Now I am doing my ME in IISc Bangalore, okay. So to tell about the GATE, actually I have attempted twice, okay, in 2013 and 2014. In 2013, I was able to manage a rank of 2230, okay. Into GATE 2014, I was able to manage 39. You can see, right, that's a big difference between both the years. I'll tell you what made the difference actually, okay. So, I'm here to share something about the GATE today. So, I thought like I will share my GATE experience by using the 5 incidents in my life, okay. So that it will be useful. Okay, before that, I'll give a general information, okay. When I completed my 12th standard actually, just like every other guy, took the engineering, hoping like I will get a very good package like that. But hopefully it is not true many times, okay. So, once I came into the, I know only 4 institutions in our state, Anna University, GCT, CIT and PSC, okay. So I dreamed like to get into one of these 4 institutions, but unfortunately my cutoff was not that much, so I took Bannari, okay. But once I came into the college, I came to know that there are other institutions in our country which are incomparable with the institutions here, okay. But unfortunately it was too late, okay. And then I came to know about those IIT, JEE, IEEE, but it was too late. So I just left it, okay. Here was the first incident, okay. So one day the GATE Forum people, they came and conducted the awareness program on GATE. And they were telling like, still you have got a chance to do your masters in IISc, IITs like that. Okay, let it go. Then I thought like, why can't I try? So the first thing I did was I went into the websites of IISc and IITs and I scanned through the profiles of the professors there. Okay, really, that impressed me a lot. The professors who were there in IISc and IITs, their research was the cut-end research. The cut-end research is nothing but they will be working in the rare, I can't explain it correctly. I mean like, okay, they'll be doing some fine research, okay. Once you come into IISc and IITs, you'll be meeting with the professors with a very good profiles, okay. They'll be having their PhD something like in Stanford, Harvard, MIT, something like that, okay. The learning atmosphere will be completely different the way it is from here, okay. So, first of all, you need the motivation factor for the GATE, okay. So, before starting your preparation, you should go through all those things. You need to know, right, just for the sake like, I want to go to IIT, you cannot write GATE, okay. You need to know why you are going to write the GATE, okay. So, just go through the profiles and you will get the motivation on that, okay. This was the first incident. And then the second was like, somewhere in the 3rd year, when I was in 6th semester, I thought like, okay, let me start my GATE preparation. So I walked into my college library and I saw in the GATE rack, there is a rack called as GATE, in the GATE section, there are many books available. I could see one big book. Even you people would have crossed that big GATE 2012, 13, 14 book will be there, right? So I started looking into the book and scanned through some pages, okay. And I could see there were some previous year question papers by the end of the book. And when I saw those questions, it was like Greek and Latin to me. I wasn't able to answer a single question except the algorithm subject. Okay, because that was my favorite one. You know, right, how we prepare for our semester exams. It is all about overnight studies, but that doesn't help for GATE. Okay, so I wanted to say this because even I wasn't able to answer a single question in that book. Okay. It is all about practice actually. Even when you were in school, if you see our semester exam question papers, it will have the same reaction. So like in the same way, once you do the practice, you will get it. There's no big deal in that, okay. Getting a rank, I will frankly say that getting a rank less than 200 or 300 in GATE is equivalent to getting a cutoff of 195 plus in 12th standard like that. But hope like if you do your practice, that is the thing. Okay, this was the thing. And then I prepared for some couple of days and I just left it with frustration because I was not getting anything. Okay, I wasn't interested too because the biggest problem I had was I had a huge friend circle. So, okay, whenever I open my book, you know, right, my friends will come and say, hey, just close the book here. That's it. It's gone. Okay. So, when I came into the final year, here is my third incident actually. I thought like, see, anyway, if you are in hostel, you are not going to prepare anyway. So thought like, better go to some training institute. At the same time, the GATE Forum announced the scholarship test. So hopefully I got some scholarship and I got into GATE Forum, okay. So I got the study material. I have a set of books now. I need to prepare now, okay. The books were actually very good, okay. For the first few days again, before going to shower, after coming to shower, in lunch breaks, tea breaks, every time I used to be with GATE books. Okay. This went for some few days. And then I got distracted and I just left it just like that. And for the next 6 months, I didn't even touch the books at all. What I regularly used to do was, I used to attend the classes sincerely and attempted the target sincerely. These are the only two things I did, okay. Because it is final year, right? Friends will be advising, this is the only year you will be enjoying, and again in the life you will not get these college days like that and all. Okay, so I too thought like, it is okay, just leave it. If you want to get, if there is, if in your fate, if it is written like you will get a good rank, you will get it. I just left it just like that, okay. Then finally the GATE exam came and the fever, pressure, everything came on that day. Nothing was working. So aptitude was my strongest part, okay. What I did was like, okay, aptitude is your strongest part, right? So better attempt those questions at the end. In GATE 2013, what I did was like, I started with section A, section B, and finally went to the aptitude. Because of that overconfidence, I just gave just 5 minutes for the aptitude. That is by the end of the paper. And I made a lot of mistakes. I didn't score in aptitude also. So finally the result came. I was able to manage just rank 2010, things gone. When I went to Sarwan Kumar sir and asked him, sir, what can we do with this rank? You will get some NIT for sure, but you won't get IITs. Then I asked him, what about PSUs? PSUs you will get only if you get a rank less than 100 for your stream, for CS department. Then I thought like, oh, okay, better throw this in trash and just leave it. Then like, I joined Cognizant and still that thing was there, like I need to get into IIT like that, okay. So I thought like, let me prepare like that. Okay, one more thing, okay. GATE is not only about IITs and PSUs, okay. If you prepare for GATE in your final year, that will help your placements also. Because I was placed in CTS, I told you, right? Once I came out of the college, I started job hunting. Because my seniors told like, CTS will call after 2 years only, you won't get a job also. So I thought, I attended some 3 or 4 interviews and I got placed in 2. One is Alcatel, other is Athena Health. Okay, so I want to tell this because if you prepare for GATE sincerely, not even sincerely, at least to some extent, you will get very good placements, that too with very good package. That is the one more thing, okay. That was one more motivation factor. And then, so this thing strongly stuck in me. Go for IIT, not for these jobs. So I thought like, take the least package of the 3 offers and I joined CTS, okay. This was the second risk I took. Then I joined Cognizant and I thought like to prepare for GATE again, okay. So till the October, no improvement in my preparation, just wasting the time like anything, okay. But I had some pre-experience in GATE, but still I was not sincere in that. Here came my 4th incident, okay. One fine day, I was coming from home to Chennai, okay, on one Sunday, and morning I got on a bus stand, okay. With a bag. The bag was full of GATE books, okay. And the bag got thefted. Some thief took and ran away. I ran behind him in the rain for almost 1 or 1.5 kilometers, okay. And then finally I got the bag. When I got the bag, I was like, thank God I got my bag. I didn't even do anything to the thief, okay. People helped me with that. And from that day, it was a turning point in my life. Think your dream is going away from you, better start your preparation. Right from that day, I started my preparation. I used to spend at least 2 to 3 hours every day. Okay. Finally, this year, like, I was finally able to crack GATE with good rank, okay. This is the 4th thing. And came the 5th incident. 5th incident is like, it is a general thing, okay. You might have felt, people who have already attempted GATE might have felt, they used to complain like, I was able to do target very well and I used to secure good rank. But when it comes to GATE, I wasn't able to score a good rank. There used to have a lot of pressure, or else either I will make careless mistakes, something like that, okay. The reason behind that is you need to have very good concentration while attempting the GATE exam. For that, what you need to do, right? Suppose, take it like if you are good in aptitude, before going to GATE exam, better solve one aptitude question paper. Okay, I did that actually. Okay, because the best thing about aptitude questions is that it doesn't need any formulas, it doesn't need any concepts, nothing. What only thing you need is the common sense. If you have common sense, you can answer the questions. So if you practice these aptitude questions, that will actually accelerate your thinking. That will reduce your pressure and burden like that. So my friend was preparing for CAT, okay. So what I did, like I got some couple of question papers from him, and the day before the GATE exam, in the night before I went to sleep, I solved one question paper, and the next day before going to the exam, I solved another question paper. That keeps you alive actually, that factor, okay. So I said that time when I went to the exam, say the first 7 minutes is for the aptitude. Within the 7 minutes, you should complete aptitude. The reason behind that is, if I start thinking more, my thinking factor will accelerate, okay. So after that, I can answer the technical questions with ease of pressure, okay. That is the reason behind that actually. So this was the fifth thing. And hopefully, and one more constraint is that try this only if you are good in aptitude, or else don't try this, okay. And this is one thing. And one more general information is that if you get the GATE rank right, if you get ranked somewhere around like 2,000, 2,000, 3,000 like that, don't think like you won't get any college. Try all the attempts. Apply for IITs, at least some minor departments, and apply to the NITs, okay. In NITs, they'll be conducting 4 rounds and 1 spot round counseling, okay. So even if you don't get the seat in the first 4 rounds, in the spot round, there is a chance for you to get it, okay. The reason behind that is, last year, I had a friend, her rank was actually very less than mine, okay. What I did was like, she called me for the spot round counseling for NIT Trichy. I told like, you don't get it anyway, why to go and waste time there? She started scolding me, at least give an attempt like that. I told, see, I'm not going to come here. If you want, you can go, like that. Then she went. The next day evening, she gave me a call, like saying, I was having my dinner, and so I put my phone in loudspeaker. She told like, I got seat in NIT Trichy CS department. I was shocked with that, okay. So, but this year that didn't happen. It might happen sometimes if your luck is good, okay. So apply for the NITs and IITs too, that will actually help, okay. That is one more thing. The moral is very simple, my dear friends. The only thing you need to do for GATE is that, you could see, right, for GATE 2013, I didn't prepare anything. What I did was I attended the GATE forum classes, and the second thing is Target. Only these 2 things I did, but still I got ranked 2,230. Okay, but in GATE 2014, I applied some effort. Like I used to spend at least 2 to 3 hours per day. Okay, and I was able to crack that. And one more thing you need to note is that if you take some subject, okay, if you feel like this concept I am feeling like it is very hard like that, don't leave that. Okay, go to the core, go into core of the concept. Okay, that will take you somewhere else. It goes on like that. But once you complete that concept, you will get immense confidence. Okay, that will actually help you. That is one more thing. But if you feel like I didn't understand the subject at all, better don't try this. Go on with some NPTEL lectures or GATE forum classes. Because for the IT department in many colleges, there are 2 subjects called as Theory of Computation and Compilers Design. We will not be having this in undergrad course, but in final exam we will be having that course. So for that, better, because of the time constraint, better than preparing yourself, better go to some NPTEL lectures that will actually help you. Okay, this is one more thing. So the only essence you need to crack GATE with good rank is a daily preparation of 2 to 3 hours, sincerely. Okay, when you open the book, do not think about anything else, and finally you will get your fruits. That's it. Thank you.